Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I'm going to show you how to download and install SQL Server on your computer. So search from Google SQL Server download, and from the search results, you can click the SQL Server downloads, which will bring you to the download page of SQL Server. So we have here an option to download a free specialized edition, either the developer or the Express edition of SQL Server. For now, we're just going to download Express edition. So click on the download now button. So once the exe file is downloaded, you can open that to install. Then we have to select an installation type, either basic, custom, or download media. So we're just going to select the basic for now. And you have to accept the Microsoft SQL Server license terms. Click the accept button. And this is the default location where the SQL Server will be installed. Click the install button, and we're just going to wait until the download and installation is completed. So the installation depends on the speed of your internet connection. Okay, so the installation has completed successfully. Then we have here an option to install SSMS, which is the SQL Server Management Studio. So if you didn't have SQL Management Server Studio on your computer yet, you can click this install button. But I have already installed on my computer, so I'm not going to install that anymore. So let us now open the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio so we can interact with the SQL server. And from the server type, select the database engine, and in the server name, if it is not showing on this box, you can click the drop down box, then click browse for more, and under the database engine, click the plus sign to expand, then select the instance of SQL server that you are going to use. So since we're going to use the SQL Express, select this instance of SQL server. So I have here different instances of SQL server on my computer. Then click OK. And in the authentication, for now, we're just going to use Windows authentication. Then click the connect button. We are now logged into the SQL server. And inside the Object Explorer, you could see the different folders. We have the databases, security, server objects, replication, and management. On the next video, you're going to learn how to create database and table. And also, we're going to explore some of the basic SQL commands like inserting, searching, updating, and deleting records. Thank you for watching this video. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing, like, and share this video, and click the notification bell so you'll get notified every time I upload a new tutorial.